On behalf of Heartland RV, we have a special walkthrough today for all of you. I'm Will Miller.
I'm Alex Gabriel, National Sales Manager. I'm super excited about this.
And we are proud to introduce to all of you the all-new 2024 Eddie Bauer-series.
Eddie Bauer was an avid outdoorsman who dedicated his professional life to creating gear to get people to spend time outside. Well, 100 years later, Eddie Bauer, the company, has partnered with Camping World and Heartland to create a camper to launch life's journeys. Guys, let's go ahead and jump inside and see all of the features and benefits that are available inside this awesome camper.
So welcome to the inside of the all-new Eddie Bauer 34 BHS, one of 3 floor plans that we're going to be releasing.
Yeah, so let's go ahead and get started by talking about the kitchen, right? So obviously, as you look around, you can see this has an exclusive decor package to this particular brand, right? I love the kitchen, right? First and foremost, you can see we have pressed countertops throughout the entire coach, right? Farmhouse basin sink, beautiful fixture here as well, right? As we continue to make our way over, we have an air fryer oven, right? So oftentimes when we talk about camping, some people won't even use their oven, right? They just simply do not use it because it really doesn't work. This thing works and it packs a punch. It will cook your food just like your air fryer that you have at home. Next, guys, this is pretty awesome. Look at the size on this fridge. This is a 16 cubic foot fridge, right? A 12 cubic fridge. This thing is awesome. When you see travel trailers that are aluminum sided, you don't see fridges like this. You do not have these capabilities. This thing packs a punch and has all the features that you're looking for in your kitchen.
And across from that beautiful kitchen, there's a lot of unique features, again, that you never typically see in an aluminum-sided travel trailer, specifically to the slide box. You don't normally have storage on these upper cabinets above your jackknife sofa. With Eddie Bauer, you do. You have massive amount of windows that are all going to open, so should you take this coach to a beautiful destination where you don't have to rely on the AC, it's going to allow Mother Nature to help cool the coach. And obviously, during the daytime, you can enjoy a lot of natural light. You'll also notice, too, here on the floor, not only is there no carpet, these are flush transitions into that slide box, making it very, very easy and ergonomic for the entire family. As I said, when not utilizing this as an additional sleeping space, you have seating for 2 with your cup holders integrated. You also have the ability to charge all your smart devices wherever you are, including the USB right here. Working our way towards the rear of the coach, you have a collapsible dinette that will accommodate little campers should you have additional guests when you go on a beautiful trip. Below that, you have added storage not just below your seat cushions, but a great location to get all the shoes out of the way for that busy family going in and out of the coach. So since I talked about that family, Alex, why don't you show them the bunk room?
Yeah, let's check out the bunk room. But before we do so, I want to point out a couple of things. First and foremost, look at all this awesome pantry space, right? Put all of our snacks in there. I know my kids like cereal, right? We also have a really solid door here leading into the bunk room. Right, so this particular floor plan can sleep up to 9 individuals. Couple things I want to point out to you, right? First and foremost, we do have a backer for a TV if you want to have that for your kiddos or your bunk space people. Additionally, I want to point out to you, there are no vents in the floor, right? So all of your vents are built into the cabinetry and to the furniture and things of that nature. So awesome, awesome features available, and make sure everybody's staying cool and comfortable. So Will, are you staying cool in this camper or what?
Absolutely. Thanks to the Coleman Mach Whisper Quiet AC, it's going to come with one as well as a prep option as well in this given floor plan. As we work our way up to that bedroom though, very unique feature that I want to highlight. Again, this is an aluminum-sided travel trailer, but thanks to the Eddie Bauer iconic brand, you're not getting TV prep. You're not getting just a TV. You are getting standard, a smart TV loaded with all the apps that you know and love. Below that, you have a lot of utility in the way of storage, as well as a beautiful fireplace. And this is also the location for your JBL hi-fi audio system.
All right, so now as we make our way back to the master bedroom, let's point out some of the features available in here. First and foremost, you can see we're gonna have a queen size bed that we can walk all the way around, right? Additionally, we talked about this coach being pet friendly, right? So below right here, we have a special area for your pet to go, right? So this will open and close, put your pets in there. And there's also additional storage underneath the bed to the left-hand side. Now, what's also great about this is prepped for a washer and dryer as well. So we could put a nice stackable unit in there, right? Plenty of space, makes it super accessible. And then even more storage and space available for your clothing. Top rack up here, plenty of space available to you.
And Alex, let's not forget, this floor plan comes with not 1, but 1.5 baths. So it's going to accommodate mom and dad and all the rest of the family.
All right, now let's check out some of the outdoor features that are available to you. First and foremost, you're going to have a power tongue jack and electric stabilizer jacks as well. We want to make it as easy as possible for you to set up your camper when you get to your campsite. You'll also note here we have our Vault centralized electrical system. Makes it very, very simple if you ever have to troubleshoot any potential issues. As we continue back, note that all of your Eddie Bauer coaches will have solar prep standard. It'll also have inverter prep in there as well, so you can add on those solar panels if and when you decide to do so. Continuing on through the rear of the coach, you'll note the pass-through storage. We wanted to give campers as much space as possible, right? This is a massive pass-through storage or storage center, as I should say, right? Put tons of stuff in there. Continuing over, Willie mentioned it on the inside, but we do have JBL sound system outside as well, so you can party when you're outside. Solid steps to make sure that you're safe and secure with an extra large grab handle to get in and out of the coach, right? Continuing over, Goodyear Endurance tires, right? Goodyear, American made. This is a quality brand to make sure that you're safe and protected as you're traveling down the road, right? Finally, one of my personal favorite features is the outdoor kitchen, right? So as we pass by, you'll also note we can get to that other half bath into that bunk room through this particular door. But this is the awesome part, right? When we're camping, we're spending time outside, right? Outdoor refrigerator, washing station, and our outdoor griddle, right? This is awesome. I know when I'm camping, I love to spend time outside. Love to make sure that I have the ability to cook and grill and do all those things. All right, now let's get to the rear of the coach as we wrap up here, right? So first and foremost, you'll note we have our Lippert on-the-go ladder system. If you do want to get on your roof, which is fully walkable, you have your spare tire. And lastly, guys, you're prepped for a backup camera as well. It has all the features and amenities to make sure that you can get out there and have a great time.
So there you have it, an iconic outdoor brand coming together in an RV loaded with a lot of features. My favorite feature, that it's pet friendly.
Personally, I like all the kitchen amenities. Air fryer oven, 16 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator. We can get our cook on in there. Guys, if you want more information, go to heartlandrvs.com where we can find floor plans, find a dealer near you, or any other information you may be looking for.